Yes, Jesus, that all I am, the all that you have wanted me to be, Lord. And remind us, oh God, the reason why we are living, oh God, and what we are living for, Jesus. Hope has found its home within me. Now that I've been found in you, that all I am, the all you want me to be. 'Cause all I want is more of you. All I want is more of you. Let your presence fall upon us. Yes, Lord. I want to see you face to face. Let me live forever lost in your love. Oh, 'cause all I want is more of you. 'Cause all I want is more of you. Now I'm living for this cause. I lay down my life into your hands. I'm living for this, Lord. Now I'm living for the truth, the hope of the world. In you I'll stand. 'Cause all I want is you. Let your presence, Jesus. Let your presence fall upon us. We want to see you face to face. Let me live, Lord. Let me live forever lost in your love. Oh, 'cause all I want is more of you. And all I want is more of you. Now I'm living for this cause. I lay down my life into your hands. And now I'm living for the truth, the hope of the world. In you I'll stand. Once again, we're living for this cause, Lord. Now I'm living for this cause. I lay down my life into your hands. And I'm living for the truth, the hope of the world. In you I'll stand. 'Cause all I want is you. Come on, let's say to the Lord, all we want is you, Jesus.